The day before today, I asked people on Snapchat if a tree falls, but no one hears it. Is it a sound? Question mark. And these are your answers. First one is from the main homie Endangered Memes. He said yes. So wrong. Second person put yeah. I'm like, oh my god, what a. Third person put yes, because when something falls it makes a sound. That is such a retarded answer, because that is so dumb. Like, this person does not know the facts. No, it isn't a sound, you fuck, because we should be able to hear it. Fuck, I lost count already. This person, I think fifth, he put yes. Oh, stupid. This person put, the fuck, I don't know. Then don't answer, quit wasting my time. Oh my. This person put, yes it is. What a dumbass. This person put, yeah, what a fucking dumbass. And Feek. This person put, no, question mark. This person's correct. This person put, hell yeah. More like, nope. Oh my god, I just dabbed. Why do I keep dabbing? This person put, yes. Oh my fucking. You know what? This person put, no, question mark. Correct. And that is it. That's all the people. There were 2 no's. So disappointing. I'm out of breath because I keep dropping and shit. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Hope you enjoyed this little skit that I'm gonna put up. And yeah. Wait, what's that sound? Leave your DMs in the Snapchat below, and I'll read them in the next episode of TDBT.